Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to disable screen time in iOS 18. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to go to settings and then just scroll up, go to search for screen time, and then you have to turn off downtime if it's turned on, and then turn off app limits if it's turned on. Always allowed, make sure it's turned off as well. The screen distance and everything, make sure it's turned off. And then you have to turn off screen time if you have set it up, and that's about it. This is how you turn off screen time in iOS 18 on an iPhone or iOS device or another iOS device. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.